Shalom. First and foremost, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'ashem, Yahweh Shai Ba'ashem, Wakar Padash. Double honors to the elders for preaching this word truthfully and sincerely. And shalom to the Akim, scattered through the four corners of the globe, preaching the word truthfully and sincerely as well too. And I say shalom to your Akim out there. And this is another sit-down lesson that I want to bring out from the JerusalemPost.com, April the 3rd, 2023 by Reuters. And it reads, magnitude 6.6 earthquake strikes near the east coast of Kamchatka. I gotta see this, where this is located at, Slovakia. It says, okay, now let's see. It says the Kamchatka Peninsula. The Kamchatka Peninsula is a 1,200 feet kilometry long peninsula in the Russian Far East. Okay, so that's where it derived from. Okay. Because I didn't know in particular what this name of this country. So, I know actually what I'm doing when I'm bringing out this news of this recent earthquake in this region. So yeah, it's far in the Russian Far East region with an area of 270,000 kilometers. The Pacific Ocean and the Sea of Okhotsk make up the peninsula's eastern and western coastlines, respectively. Immediately offshore along the Pacific coast of the peninsula runs 10,500 metric deep. Okay, so this is where it's located. It's the eastern part, further north, the further eastern part of Russia. So this is what it's located at. In that area, it had get hit with a magnitude of a 6.6 earthquake. And it reads a magnitude of a 6.6 earthquake struck near the east coast of the Kamchatka region on Monday. The European and Mediterranean Seismology Center (EMSC) says the quake was at a depth of 100 kilometers and 62.13 miles, the EMSC says. And it says the U.S. Tsunami Warning System says there was no tsunami warning after the quake. And this is the book of 2nd Ezra, verse 3. And this is the book of 2nd Ezra, chapter 9, verse 3, and it reads, of the Apocrypha of the Holy Scriptures, and it reads, therefore, when there shall be seen earthquakes and uproars in the people in the world, right? So we're definitely seeing, once again, an increase of earthquakes in diverse places around the world. A high increasing magnitudes of earthquakes around the world as we see it, to increase more and more and more. And it will bring out the Luke 21 and 11 as well too. And this is the book of Luke, chapter 21, verse 11, and it reads through the Holy Scriptures. And great earthquakes shall be in diverse places. Right, great earthquakes shall be in diverse places, right? And that's what we're seeing. The once again continual increasing of the high magnitude of the great earthquakes in diverse places around the world. We've seen a more and more uptick of these earthquakes in diverse places around the world. And great earthquakes shall be in diverse places, and famines and pestilence and fearful sights and great signs shall that be from heaven, right? So we're definitely going to continue to see more increasing of earthquakes around the world as we see this recent news article which I'm currently doing right now as a sit down of this recent news article as of April 3rd, 2023. And it says a magnitude of a 6.6 earthquake struck near the east coast of Kamchatka, if I pronounced that right, Salakia. So with that, hopefully this sit down lesson was edifying of the reading of this news article and the scriptures to reference this news article and the looking up of this name of this area where it's located at, of this recent earthquake of a magnitude of a 6.6 struck in that region over there. So with that, I would like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh, Ba'ashem, Yahweh Shai, Ba'ashem, Wakarkadash. Double honors to the elders for pushing his word truthfully and sincerely, and shalom to the Akim, scattered through the four corners of the globe, pushing the word truthfully and sincerely as well too. And shalom to the Akim once again, preaching the word truthfully and sincerely as well too, in the names of Yahweh, Ba'ashem, Shai, Ba'ashem, Wakarkadash. And until next time, I will say shalom.